Dr. Patel, his enthusiasm contagious, spoke up next. What if we created a platform for public dialogue? It could serve as a bridge between our research and those who might benefit from our discoveries. The idea ignited a wave of excitement once more, and many began to voice their support. Dr. Kim chimed in. It's crucial that we encourage the public to participate in this discussion. Their perspectives can enhance our understanding. As the dialogue flowed, new ideas emerged, each suggestion sparking further exploration of possibilities. Dr. Mercer listened intently, her heart swelling with pride as her colleagues engaged passionately, envisioning a future where science and society intertwine seamlessly. Let's ensure our platform is accessible and invites diverse voices, she interjected, her determination unwavering. In doing so, we'll cultivate a shared enthusiasm for what lies ahead. Dr. Patel, still energized by the momentum, reiterated the importance of inclusivity. We shouldn't just focus on experts. Students, artists, and everyday people could bring fresh perspectives. Their creativity could provoke ideas we haven't considered, he suggested, his eyes twinkling with excitement. Murmurs of agreement rippled through the room. As the vision expanded beyond academia, each scientist began recognizing the value of multidisciplinary approaches, their imaginations ignited by the potential connections they could forge. Perhaps we could organize workshops or community events, Dr. Kim added thoughtfully, his tone animated. These could serve as platforms for exchanging ideas, showcasing our research while inspiring a broader audience. The notion blossomed, and Dr. Mercer felt the energy in the room swell even further. Let's make it our mission to demystify science, she proposed, emboldened by her colleagues' enthusiasm. We owe it to the community to share our language and process. The atmosphere buzzed with anticipation for this collaboration, the scientists now seeing their roles as catalysts for change. As they envisioned outreach initiatives, excitement glimmered in their eyes, propelling them into uncharted territories of impact. Dr. Mercer, driven by a sense of urgency, directed the conversation back to strategy. We must ensure that our communication aligns with our research goals, she asserted, and that each initiative we undertake serves to educate as well as engage. The scientists nodded in agreement, fueling a collaborative spirit as they deliberated over their approach. Let's establish a framework for evaluating our outreach efforts, Dr. Patel suggested, leaning forward eagerly. A system to assess not just participation, but the depth and quality of the public's understanding of our work. Intrigued, Dr. Kim added, we could implement feedback mechanisms, collecting insights that reveal how effectively we're bridging the gap. The room resonated with the energy of innovation, vibrant ideas bouncing among them. This will allow us to refine our strategies for maximum impact, Dr. Mercer emphasized, energized by the increasingly collaborative atmosphere. We are not just conduits for knowledge, we are also learners in this exchange. Each scientist felt their roles morphing, as they imagined a future enriched by public dialogue. Dr. Patel's enthusiasm radiated as he exclaimed, and as we iterate on our approach, we'll grow alongside the community, adapting our initiatives to meet their needs. Indeed, Dr. Mercer concurred, her tone reflecting the growing excitement in the room. This journey isn't merely about findings, it's about forging a connection that transforms how we view science. Each scientist nodded, the vision coalescing into something significant. Let's establish a series of pilot projects, she proposed, her mind racing with possibilities. These can serve as experiments in engagement, allowing us to test our ideas and receive crucial feedback. Dr. Patel immediately chimed in, I can lead the first project, perhaps focusing on local schools to spark curiosity in younger generations. Science should be seen as an adventure, not just data on a screen." The idea lit up their imaginations like firecrackers, and Dr. Kim raised his hand excitedly. "We could integrate art into our presentations, making science approachable and relatable, a festival of ideas." As they envisioned this initiative, the atmosphere buzzed with energy. Each scientist saw themselves as part of a larger narrative, one that could captivate and inspire an entire generation to look toward the stars and wonder. "Let's harness our creativity and ensure this approach reflects our commitment to inclusivity," Dr. Mercer insisted, her leadership shining through again. "Together, we can cultivate a sense of ownership within the community that will elevate our work." At that moment, they transformed not just as researchers, but as proactive facilitators of enlightenment, ready to engage with the world beyond their lab. "Planning our outreach to ensure resonance is essential," Dr. Mercer continued. "We must recognize cultural nuances and find relatable ways to express our findings." Dr. Patel nodded, urgency fueling his voice. "It's vital we avoid jargon and present our work through stories that captivate the imagination," Dr. Kim added. "Compelling narratives can make complex ideas accessible, inviting curiosity and dialogue." Excitement rippled through the room as the scientists envisioned their research intricately woven into the fabric of everyday life. "Let's leverage social media," Dr. Mercer proposed, her tone energetic. "It's a tool that can amplify our reach and invite a global audience into the conversation." Dr. Patel jumped in with enthusiasm. "We could create engaging visual content, short videos to explain our concepts and applications in real time." The proposal invigorated their spirits, each scientist eager to step into new roles as communicators. "We should collaborate with educators and influencers," Dr. Kim suggested, his eyes alight with possibilities. "In doing so, we not only enhance our impact but also ensure diverse voices contribute to shaping our narrative." As the conversation flowed, the group solidified their commitment to making science approachable and engaging, nurturing a sense of wonder that could spark lifelong exploration. The collective energy was unmistakable. Together, they were poised to pave a meaningful path forward. Their vision was taking form, as they anticipated a future where their discoveries would resonate far beyond the confines of academia, cultivating a rich dialogue with humanity. "Let's also consider potential partnerships with local museums and community centers," Dr. Patel suggested eagerly, his vision expanding. "These venues can provide us with accessible spaces for dialogue, exhibitions, and workshops, drawing in diverse audiences." The room buzzed with enthusiasm at the thought, and as Dr. Kim nodded in agreement, he added, "We could leverage their networks to reach groups we might otherwise overlook." Each proposal ignited anticipation, as together they imagined a collaborative landscape where knowledge flowed freely and was shared genuinely. As the meeting concluded, Dr. Mercer felt a wave of pride wash over her. They had forged a roadmap that would not only advance their research but also unite science and society in unprecedented ways. This was more than just data, it was the beginning of a movement that would ignite curiosity and connection across the globe.